All right, imagine this. You spent hours crafting the perfect text messaging campaign, appointment reminders, service updates, and a sweet little promotion. You hit send, and then crickets. Nobody replies, no clicks, just a lot of confused silence and a very frustrated team. So what happens next? Chances are you've met the Campaign Registry. Now, what is that? Think of the Campaign Registry, or TCR, as the gatekeeper of business texting in the US. It was made from carriers like AT&T and Verizon to stop spam and protect consumers. Basically, if your business sends text from a regular 10-digit number, that's called A2P, or Application to Person Messaging. You now have to register your campaigns. In plain English, if you're not registered, your text might not go through, even if your customers want them. And that's where things get tricky for small businesses, because let's face it, texting is one of your superpowers. It's fast, it's personal, people actually read texts. But if you skip the registration, here's what can happen. Your message delivery drops. Texts just don't arrive. Carriers can fine you for unregistered traffic, and your number might even get flagged as spam. Not ideal, right? Now, before you roll your eyes and think, great, more red tape, hear me out. The Campaign Registry actually helps. It keeps your messages from being mistaken for spam, improves deliverability, and builds trust with both the carriers and your customers. Think of it like TSA PreCheck for your texts. You're verified, so your messages will get through faster and with fewer hassles. So what should you do next? If your business relies on texting for customer communication, make sure you're registered. And if you don't have time to figure it out alone, this is exactly the kind of tech headache that we handle at Plus One Technology. We'll help you implement a compliant texting system, walk you through the process, and make sure your messages keep reaching your customers reliably. Because honestly, technology should just work. And your customers, they want to hear from you, not the car warranty guys.